It's time to call Tyrone Benjamin, Mr. Bar Buddy himself. We can't leave him out. My brother. Happy
Cheers.
Cinco de Mayo.
Happy Cinco de Mayo,
Looking
boy.
like you're straight out of Narcos, boy.
Hey, straight out of Narcos.
Talk to me.
So you guys look like you're having fun.
You fine, guy?
Yeah. So I had something here brewing for you guys, right? It's gonna add to the fun. And this is actually salt prune tequila, right? And this was actually preserved with the same 1800 silver.
Wow.
Right? So you go ahead and pour.
So we put this as a shot as well?
Yeah, nice little shot.
You have some stretchers stand by the end of this episode, eh? Wow.
Can I take mine down with a shrimp?
Yeah.
Woo. Shot.
Yes, sir.
Ophir?
So this is tequila.
Tequila.
Salt prune, yeah.
Wow.
So basically,
Wow.
it's best when you set it, say, overnight. So it kind of infuses well with the tequila. Yeah, so the longer you have it, the better as well.
This glass is...
Where's yours?
Don't worry, I drink enough before. I taste it enough.
He have his straw.
Yeah?
Salud.
Salud.
Salt prune tequila. 1800.
Nice. Yeah, tell me everything good?
Nice.
Do you like that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The salt prune, right? Tequila and
Yeah.
salt.
Yes.
Tequila and salt goes well, huh?
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Wow.
So
Now,
the
that's a
salt
natural
prune nice.
combination, yeah.
Cuts the tequila
Yeah, and the
nicely.
purpose for
That's
salt
pretty
as well when you're taking the shot, it kind of cuts the head. Meaning
It softens the
it's-
blow.
Yeah, correct.
Right,
yeah.
right.
We had salt and lime here. And,
Yeah.
And Jace just ignored the salt.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, well,
because we have to take
sometimes
one
we
shot.
say that it's training wheels. Sometimes you don't need training wheels when you're taking
The
shots.
last
You
part
know what I
of the
mean?
show is we have to do one more shot before we say goodbye. That's the silver.
Nice.
Salt. You see, we say nice. Salt and lime. We shall three take a shot. That's what it is. Cinco de Mayo. Wipe the sweat off thy brow. Continue, my brother.
So what we have here, I'm gonna be using El Paso's products,
Serious?
right? So actually
No, that
using,
you using the tequila.
well, I'm using the tequila for sure,
And the El Paso product.
and the El Paso product.
The El Paso is with the tacos, brother.
Yes, but brother, I could infuse anything. Joe, you know me by now.
So you put
Joel,
the El
Joel.
Paso in
Yes.
the cocktail.
Yes.
Thing missing is the corn.
Listen, some jumbini banana man.
Have you ever had a
this week.
Bloody Mary?
Yes, we have.
Yeah.
All right. So a Bloody Mary is a classic cocktail. It was developed around brunch time. Brunch meaning between breakfast and lunch. Is not a very spirit-forward cocktail. So
Right.
just like a mimosa, is a nice brunch cocktail too, right? So we keep it in terms with that. And why I choose this because normally you use vodka, but I'm gonna switch it up using this 1800 we have here, right? And I choose the silver because it's neutral in flavor, and the anero is more aged, hence the color. So anytime you see a spirit that is brown, most of the time it gets that
aged.
color from the wood oaks, from the barrel.
All right.
Yeah? So I'm gonna jump in, and first I'm gonna be starting with some jalapeno, right? So
All El Paso jalapeno you put in the
all El Paso jalapeno, yeah man.
Joel, stop.
Don't be worried, don't be worried.
Thing.
Right?
I with you, brother.
You understand me?
No jalapeno. What? Not gonna anything. We
So I'm
here,
keeping
we
it
here,
light.
We here.
We here.
We here to try everything.
I'm keeping it light, not too spicy because you know I know we are accustomed to our pepper sauce or Tabasco sauce. Since we're doing the whole taco and the Mexican team, jalapeno is the spice that we're using.
Okay.
I'm gonna be adding, since we're making 3 drinks for you guys,
Silver.
silver, 3 shots.
Go light on mine.
Hey,
I'll
hey,
go light.
no, full.
Full.
Right.
The boss talk.
You just see, boy.
Nice.
I wonder if your measurement is the same as that boy.
No, mine is a little heavier. Yes.
Heavier.
Yes.
And what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna be pressing out the jalapeno. So we're gonna be getting the infusion of that spice into the tequila. And it's a natural infusion.
Okay.
Call this a flash infusion as well. And on top of that, I'm gonna be adding the tomato sauce.
From Old El Paso.
Yeah,
In the drink.
in the drink.
Straight taco sauce.
Straight taco.
So this kind of replaces the tomato juice
Yes.
in the
He's a
yeah.
boss.
All right.
He's a boss. Yo,
taco sauce and jalapenos. This is.
I'm very intrigued. I'm very intrigued.
Lots of words.
You're blown. Your mind is blown.
Yeah, man.
Hold up. I'm seeing Shadow Benny next year.
We have Shadow Benny too.
James, don't complain.
And I actually
I
have
complain. I'm in awe.
hey, I have a green seasoning here.
Wow.
So this green seasoning has
Trini green seasoning. too?
yeah.
Yes. Don't complain,
I have the
Joel.
same Shadow
Man, take all
Benny,
your chicken seasoning,
chive, a little garlic, a little celery, some pimento. Alright? Gonna stir up this.
Here, and him might not hear a drink recipe.
No, you don't.
A drink recipe.
Not, it's not something making a cocktail at all. But usually with those Bloody Marys, they really do season it up like that.
Yes. It's a seasoned cocktail.
It's a seasoned cocktail.
So you can have a virgin Bloody Mary and it's just a seasoned tomato juice.
Right.
Yeah.
This one we use at 1800 silver
This
tequila.
one, yeah, we ain't skipping the alcohol this time.
You know, we in trouble after this show.
Yeah, we in trouble already. Yeah, because this glass is the most overused glass that I've ever had on this show.
Right? I'm just get a wipe.
I'm clearing it.
Okay, so I'm going direct into your glasses with this.
No shake, no stir.
No shake, no stir. Because tomato juice is so thin.
This Joel, this is drinks.
Yes. Don't worry. Everybody getting a piece of jalapeno.
All right, well, this is Joel. This is
Why
Joel
you
with the
choosing my
dregs.
drink, brother?
The one with the dregs. This is yours.
Hombre.
You want it every bit of
The man
spice.
finished, the man
So I
finished.
finished.
Oh,
One
sorry.
more thing.
Hombre.
I'm sorry.
Hombre.
Man, the garnish.
This middle, I forget the garnish, but this middle one, that one is yours, eh?
So I'm gonna garnish.
Hold up.
Yeah.
Is shrimp a sea in there?
It is shrimp. So we put in a little shrimp.
Wow.
Down inside the drink.
Yes.
Yeah?
Imagine if you had used my jerk shrimp.
Alright.
Crisp, freshness.
Hombre,
Yes,
that
definitely.
cocktail looked very, very dangerous.
That's why you're going to drink the one in the middle.
Yeah,
Very, very dangerous.
Nice.
His
Yeah,
really
drink
looking like
up,
you wanted
drink
to go.
up.
This is you,
Yeah, thank you.
and this
Thank you.
is Joel.
Why you choose that one?
Make sure I
Don't
get you
worry
the
about
spice.
The spice, extra
The
spice.
most spice.
All right, salud. So wait, hold up. What's the name of this drink?
Guys, we gotta get this a name. Think of it.
1800. 1800? No.
I was waiting for the rest.
1800 fire.
No. You try it.
1-800 file.
1-800
1-800 fire. We
Here's
like
our
that.
boss.
Yeah.
1-800 fire.
1-800
Let's go.
fire.
Cheers.
Call the fire brigade.
Yeah, man.
Now I
I watch all
expected.
the
Yeah.
ingredients, huh?
I was expecting a different type of kick.
Nobody the kicks that are coming in the back of your head.
Yeah,
after.
it's a little chicken at the back of the
It's
throat.
a after,
But
it's a after kick.
But it's a
gentle,
nice
gradual.
Gentle, yeah,
Gradual.
that's right.
This is like a knockout punch after a while.
Yeah. What happened is a creeper. Because it's full of flavors. You know what I mean? The salt, the pepper, the green seasoning, pimento, shadow benny. You know, so you guys careful. That's the main thing I can tell you.
I like that. Careful.
After all the
Careful.
cocktails you have made for me over the years,
Careful.
you have never told me to be careful.
Well, yeah.
We
We dealing with tequila. Trust me, we dealing with tequila. They have a saying, 1 tequila, 2 tequila, 3 tequila,
Four
floor.
Right.
Floor.
No, not floor. Floor.
Flat line.